Hey, my YouTube subscribers, in today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Rabbitx and its revolutionary RBX coin. Stick around as we unravel the story behind Rabbitx and what makes RBX coin a game changer in the rapidly growing DeFi derivatives space. What is Rabbitx Rbx Coin? Rabbitx is not your average derivatives exchange. It's a global permissionless perpetuals and derivatives exchange built for traders just like you. They're on a mission to reshape the financial landscape, offering 24/7 access to a global markets with unparalleled security and liquidity. Innovation at its core. Rabbitx combines cutting-edge CK infrastructure with a powerful risk engine and sleek user interface. With 20x leverage and the security of Ethereum, you can trade 24/7 markets without breaking a sweat. And here's the kicker: zero gas fees. Yes, you heard it right. Zero gas fees. That means you can trade in real time without worrying about those pesky transaction costs. The tech behind Rabbitx. Rabbitx is not just fast, it's one of the fastest decentralized exchanges globally. Thanks to Starknet, their blockchain based on CK rollup technology, Rabbitx achieves millisecond latency that's up to 50 times faster than any other on-chain derivatives platform. Plus the security, it's rock solid, built on Ethereum network, ensuring the safety of your transactions. Rabbitx features: millisecond latency, zero gas fees, 20x leverage, order book liquidity, 24/7 customer support, global market stocks, FX, commodities, and interest rates coming soon. A trader-focused user interface. Now we come to the most important part of this video, because I'm all about coins actually on this platform. So now we are going to talk about the RBX utility RBX coin launch. Now here's the big news. Rabbitx is introducing its native utility coin, RBX Coin. This marks a major milestone for Rabbitx, cementing its role in the rapidly growing DeFi derivatives space. Hold on, it's not just a coin, it's a key player in shaping the future of decentralized finance. Why RBX Coin? RBX isn't just a coin. It's a ticket to a new era of trading. With RBX Coin and Rabbitx aims to enhance your trading experience, offering benefits like reduced fees, exclusive access to new features, and more. It's not just a utility coin, it's your gateway to a thriving community of traders and investors. RBX utility. RBX backed by giants. And let's not forget, Rabbitx isn't alone on this journey, backed by the biggest names in the investment world, including Sequoia Capital, US, Peak XV Partners, Multicoin Capital, Crypto.com, OKX Ventures, and more. Rabbitx is in it for the long haul. So if you're ready to go down the rabbit hole and explore the future of trading, Rabbitx and RBX Coin are your tickets to a faster, more secure, and fee-free trading experience. So the RBX Coin is a good coin, and now we come to the most important part: my personal opinions on RBX Coin and this trading platform. So the coin itself has a price of 10 cents or 0.1068. The last 24 hours alone, this coin has gone up 33.68%. Last 7 days, it's gone up 75%, and the last month, it's gone up 92%. So almost doubled in price the last 30 days. The actual total supply is maxed at 1 billion and the fully diluted market cap is $106 million. So would I personally buy this coin and hold it for the long run? Well, it all comes down to actually if this exchange is going to be here in the future. Okay, not every single exchange is here in a few years, but this exchange could be here. But I would, if I'm just going to invest in an actual coin itself, what I personally do with every single coin I review on this YouTube channel, and RBX coin included, I put it in a file and then I track the price over, let's say, 7 to 14 days period, and then you will get the best price. So when the price actually hits the best price last 14 days, I buy. Okay, so that's just a tip. I also have some extra perks for all of you at home. If you go to my YouTube channel and click on more links there, you will get the link to my personal book that I've written. It's a very in-depth book. If you read that whole book, you will know more than probably 85% of any person that's into crypto. Okay, takes out everything you need to know. Okay, 100% free. I'm giving it away to you at home. And make sure you check out the links, because when I give something out for free, it would be good if you actually check out some of the links I have below this video. I have some great perks for all of you, and more is coming. So I have some great exchanges where you can buy crypto. I have some great wallets down below, like Trezor and Keystone. Keystone wallet is actually great. You can have 3 different types of wallets on the same device. And most importantly, this is the end of this RBX Coin Rabbitx exchange review. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with all of your wonderful friends. And until we see each other next time, make sure you at home, I'm talking to the viewer here, you at home, learn as much as humanly possible, and eventually you will learn, my friend. Have a great day. Take care.